here we go. At a convenience store, 2 candy bars and 2 bags of potato chips. So 2x, I'm going to let the candy bars be x, and 2y is $4. 3 candy bars and 2 bags of potato chips is $4.75. If we subtract these, take the bottom one and subtract the top one, we'll be left with 1 candy bar is equal to 75 cents. So if a candy bar is 75 cents, and we know that 2 candy bars and 2 bags of chips is $4, 2 times 75 would be $1.50. Subtract the $1.50 over, we have $2 and, nope. Yes, we have $2.50, so Y will be $1.25. A teacher takes 5 children on a field trip to a geological museum. As a souvenir, the group receives a bag of stones. When the teacher divides the stones evenly among the children, each child receives 24 stones. So if we go 5 times 24, we see that we have 120 stones. If 6 children had been present, how many stones would each child receive? We'll take our 120, we'll divide that by 6, and that'll give us 20 stones. Your answer is D. At a banquet of 36 people, every person had a choice among beef stroganoff, chicken and linguine primavera. If 25% chose beef stroganoff, so we need to figure out how many people chose beef stroganoff out of our 36 people. So what is 25% of 36? That is 0.25 times 36, which I believe is 9. So 9 people chose the beef stroganoff. 17 chose the chicken. So how many people chose the linguine? So 9 and 17 is 26 people. 36 take away 26 means we had 10 choose the linguine. Damien's played golf on each of the 4 days of his vacation. His score in the first 3 days were 93, 92, 89, and his average for the 4 days was 90. So 4 days times 90 means he had a grand total of 360 points score. So that's his grand total. If we take 360 and subtract the first 3 scores, or the 3 that we were given, we'll know his last score. 360 take away, 93 take away. His answer is we are C. This semester, Jerry scored an average of 93 on 5 tests, 5 history exams. So 93 times 5 gives us his grand total of points. So that is his grand total. He got the same score on his first 2 tests, and then he got a 94, an 85, and a 90. So let's take what we know, the 465, and subtract the 94, the 85, and the 90. $196. So if we divide that among the 2 tests that we don't know the score, we see that he made 98s on those tests. Your answer is D. Sarah opens a savings account with an initial deposit of $1,000. After that, every month for 8 months, so she's going to make 8 payments. She made a deposit, so she's going to deposit money into the account, always for the same amount. During that time, she made just 1 withdrawal. So 1 total withdrawal, but 8 deposits. If each of Sarah's 8 deposits was in the amount of $200, so we started with 1,000, we add to that 8 200s, and her single withdrawal was 350. Just type that out. Times 8, not times 8, plus 8 times 200 minus 350. $22.50. Our answer is C. Jackson worked 25 hours and received $225. I want to take 225 and divide that by 25, and that'll tell me how much he makes an hour. So Jackson is making $9 an hour. At the same rate of pay, how much would he make if he worked 40 hours? So $9 times 40 hours will be $360. Tara's 3 bowling scores in a tournament were 167, 178, 186. What was her average? Well, that'll be easy. We'll just take those 3 numbers, add them together, and we'll divide that by 3. Tara has an average of 177. Have a nice day.